Today on Seriously Casual Racer, we're visiting the more casual side as I'm going to show you how to make your bike faster with just stickers. Here we go. Alright guys, we got our first bike here, and as you can see, it is in a sad state. The rider doesn't know what's wrong, doesn't understand the whole sticker concept. But at this point, I would be surprised if this bike could compete in a lightweight race. It's a fully built super bike, ZX10, and just doesn't have anything. So we need to get it on life support. So first off, we're just going to start putting some stickers on to keep it alive. Does it have a power commander? I don't know, we need the power though. Windscreen? Doesn't matter. We need some of this to help it out. Fully built engine, gaffer brake lines, a number, because you know, it's a race bike. Number!
Of course!
Dunlop tires. I don't even know if it have Dunlop tires on it, but we need that. We need all the traction we can get. Some more brake stuff. Sprockets. Bodywork. Clothing. We don't do clothing. That doesn't give you power. Exhaust. It's upside down. That's okay. Remember, just life support. Can-am filter. Chain. And of course, your favorite energy drink. Well, it's okay, but let's see if we can make this better, because it's not just about the stickers, it's how you put them on. With that bike on life support, we're going to move on to the actual rules of putting stickers on. We kind of did a slap hack job trying to keep that bike alive, but we kept it alive and it's going to move on and be done properly. Rule number 1, quantity, not quality. I don't know why everybody always says quality, not quantity. It's wrong. We need quantity. We need those stickers. Rule number 2, design. Design matters. Design equals efficiency. The better it flows, the better it looks on your bike, the more power you will get out of those stickers. Rule number 3, no bubbles. If you've got bubbles in your stickers, you don't care, and the bike knows it. So no bubbles in those stickers. Use a pin, use some soap, do what it takes to get those bubbles out. Rule number 4, they must be champagne proof. Now, this seems silly, but they must be champagne proof. With all these stickers on your bike, you're going to be taking podiums like crazy, and you're not always going to get the bike out of the way. You don't want to ruin those power mods with these stickers, so make sure every single one has their champagne proof rating. On now we move to our second bike, and again, we have an utter failure here. How do I know it's a failure? Although this rider does happen to have his mandatory rider stickers and tire stickers and whatever the class sponsor happens to be and his numbers for racing, he just has shown no care in actually putting effort into it. Now this bike was a top level bike until it was rendered mid-pack by the new rider. Somehow he was duped into painting it pink, taking off all the stickers and moving it to obscurity. This bike used to be awesome. The rider actually has the original fairings with all the stickers on it when this bike used to be podium level. Luckily, we've been given permission by this rider to transform his bike back into the Dragon Slayer it used to be. Hopefully, it will return to prominence where it belongs. Before we move on to our last bike, I want to give you guys the tips to find those often missed spots for power gain opportunities. If you find yourself slipping down the grid, you could have missed some of these spots. Check them out. Rim stripes and suspension. The frame. Behind the front wheel. Literally anywhere you can put your name. Windshield, back of your helmet, anywhere. Make sure you cover your toolbox and the racing fridge. Your pit machine. Dead center of your visor.
This sticker is dangerous and inconvenient, but I do love signaling.
Here we have our prime example of what you really want to get done. We have a full wrap on this bike, which gives you maximum sticker coverage. You have your numbers, you've got a name that we've needed to cover up because the owner of this bike wanted to make sure nobody knew who it was, so they didn't get bombarded with questions of how to make a bike this fast. You've also got your 10-year-old Red Group Track Day sticker right there for the most credibility possible. The belly pan layout on this bike is exquisite with very little spacing and excellent design. Each sticker has enough space to tell it is an individual sticker and allows all of this belly pan to be covered. When he did have a little bit of extra space left over, he put in a this side up sticker, which is hilarious because this bike never stays this side up. A great addition. The last sticker that is on this that doesn't really have to do with power is a protection sticker. Everybody should have a protection sticker. It's excellent and a great addition as well. When trying to achieve this level of power in your motorcycle, keep in mind that you need professional help. This is not amateur stuff. It's at least 10-year red group level. This is a 600. I have a super bike. It clearly blows me out of the water any day of the week. Remember guys, this is very dangerous. Take it very seriously when you're applying stickers to your bike. I hope you've all enjoyed this video of me and my friends making fun of each other. And if you know anybody like us, tag them, leave a comment, let us know. Share it with them. As everyone knows, with the situation in the world the way it is, we have had trouble making content, staying in our houses and being as safe as we possibly can. However, we just got out to our first track day, which means more videos coming more often with more content. So we have our knee slider video coming, as well as an anti-fog for helmet video, and we want to do some more comparisons that are going to be very relevant to anybody. And we can hopefully do some more comedy videos like this one. So subscribe, like, let us know what's going on, tell us some ideas. We'd love to see you at the track, and we'd love to see you anywhere. If you see me and have any questions or just want to talk, come up to me and say hi. So I'll see you out at the track, and until next time, be safe, everyone.